Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funny. You're without lawful restrictions. Why confidence is more attractive than looks. Today we're diving to one of the humanity biggest mystery. Why does confidence attract people more than perfect looks? Because confidence says, I know who I am. Meanwhile, insecurity says, please clap for me, I will emotionally evaporate. One, confidence feels safe. Confident people usually stay calmer during awkward moments. Nobody want a panic mode over a spilled drink. Two, confidence shows self-respect. People who respect themselves often inspire respect from others too. Three, confidence make conversations better. Confident people don't need to pretend to be superheroes. They can actually relax and talk normally. For confidence is more memorable. Good looks may catch attention. Good energy keeps attention. Five, confidence reduces jealousy. Secure people usually don't turn every hello into a detective. Six, confidence make you more stronger. A confident joke feels funnier because it feels relaxed and natural. Seven, confidence handle rejection. Confident people don't better collapse emotionally after one bad day. They recover like professionals. Eight, confidence create positive energy. People enjoy being around someone comfortable with themselves. Nine, confidence encourages honesty. Confident people are more likely to communicate clearly instead of playing a confusing game. 10. Confidence inspire trust. If someone trusts themselves, others often feel more comfortable trusting them too. 11. Confidence look mature. Maturity is attractive internationally. Tantrums, not so much. 12. Confidence helps during problems. Every relationship faces challenges. Confidence helps people stay calm instead of dramatic. 13. Confidence attracts a better partner. Healthy people often prefer emotionally secure partners over constant chaos. 14. Confidence is independent. Confident people usually enjoy relationship without making them their entire personality. 15. Confidence makes kindness stronger. Kind confidence feels warm. Arrogance feels like a broken alarm clock. 16. Confidence improves body language, standing naturally, speaking clearly can change how people see you. 17. Confidence, support boundaries. Confident people can say no respectfully when needed. 18. Confidence ages better than looks. Look change over time. Character and attitude stay important much longer.